Thank you very much to Cleveland Marshall for sponsoring this debate between two proud alumni. Eric Brown and I are living proof that graduates of this fine school can go as far as their dreams can imagine. This year, for the first time since 1978, Ohioans will be able to fill an open seat for Chief Justice. Voters will choose between Eric Brown and Maureen O'Connor to lead the court following the much acclaim and tenure of our late Chief Justice, Tom Moyer. A Chief Justice does more than just preside over court sessions. A chief must carefully manage one of the largest state court systems in America. The chief must be a leader and work with the leaders of the executive and the legislative branches to ensure continuity and common sense in Ohio government. My career in public service uniquely qualifies me to serve in this important position. I began my experience on the bench as a probate court magistrate. Later, I served as a common pleas court judge. I resigned from being a common pleas court judge to become the prosecuting attorney in Summit County. I've been Ohio's lieutenant governor and director of one of Ohio's most important and largest state departments, the Ohio Department of Public Safety. I've served as a justice on the Ohio Supreme Court since 2003. I have more than 18 years of judicial experience in Ohio courts. But time on the bench isn't the only credential for a Chief Justice. Experience managing large offices with a steady hand is crucial as well. In 1995, I was elected the Summit County prosecuting attorney and was responsible for managing a staff of over 300 employees. When I took office, Summit County ranked near the bottom of the state in child support enforcement. Within 2 short years, this agency was nominated for 2 national awards, and I'm very proud of that work. In 1999, I became Ohio's lieutenant governor. In that role, I headed the Department of Public Safety and was responsible for leading almost 3,800 employees through a variety of challenges and achievements. Together, we helped Ohio face a new threat of terrorism following the events of 9/11. I have been blessed with having a variety of interesting and challenging jobs, but the best job that I've had in public service is serving on the Ohio Supreme Court. Throughout my tenure on the court, I have participated in almost 15,000 cases. And here's something that speaks to my ability to lead a court of 7 people with different backgrounds and opinions. During my time as a justice, I've been in the majority more than any other justice, and I've dissented the least. I am considered the swing vote. I am often able to fashion my majority opinions in a way that has dissenting justices joining the majority. And when I offer a dissent, oftentimes, majority justices abandon their original vote to join my dissent, thus turning my dissent into a majority opinion. I have been able to do that 17 times. Ohioans want a Chief Justice who is in the mainstream of legal opinion and who can build consensus, and I have done just that. In closing, some observers have highlighted the fact that I would be Ohio's first woman Chief Justice. While that's true, that's not the spot in the history books that I'm shooting for. If I am honored by the voters of Ohio with this position, my aim will be to be among Ohio's best Chief Justices. Thank you very much.